If that were to flip, you would suddenly see a dramatic change in the
We want to go
numbers.
across at this moment to former Union INB Minister, senior BJP leader, Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore joins us on this broadcast. Mr. Rathore, welcome, Colonel Rathore. I want to ask you at the top, 128 leads for the NDA, more than the 122 required to form the government. Is this a happy Diwali that's come a little early, or do you just want to hold off on the firecrackers for a while?
No, there's certainly not going to be any firecrackers on our part. It's a great responsibility, and I think we are moving towards that responsibility. Our shoulders are strong to take on the responsibility of not just one state, but many more states. And this responsibility is coming because people have a sense of confidence in BJP, in NDA, and obviously driven from the fact the new sort of politics that Prime Minister has brought in, the politics of accountability. The politics where every single penny of this country must reach the people who deserve to have it. Also, the government at the highest level needs to start thinking of every single segment of the society and try and bring them up. And that is the reason why people have this confidence. You remember during on your own channel, Rahul, you remember when migration started during the COVID period. A lot of political parties tried to take advantage of that situation, which was very unfortunate, because isn't this whole pandemic sort of challenging the entire humanity? And as humanity, we should have all stood up to the challenge and tried to ease out the problems and not do politics on that. However, there were certain people, there were certain political parties that tried their level best, but people of Bihar have responded, and they've responded in a befitting manner to have confidence in good politicking, in good governance, and that's the message to all the political parties.
For the NDA could not have been more adverse.
Stop doing politics on issues, but come on to the governance.
You had to deal with a pandemic, migration, a recession, anti-incumbency. Despite all of that, to come up on top, what does that reflect about the belief that the voters of Bihar showed in the BJP, in Prime Minister Modi, in Nitish Kumar, to have the NDA, despite all the adversity, still in front over the RJD plus?
See, undoubtedly, we all must be very grateful to an aware voter, a Jagruk Matadata. We have to be very thankful, grateful to them. Also, I think the Prime Minister's leadership during this very challenging times was extremely dynamic and to the point. And that has also been visible and seen by every single citizen of our country, and that is what is reflecting in this. So yes, you are right, the conditions were very adverse, but despite that, the NDA has been able to show a good performance.
Colonel Rathore, there is one constituency which seems to have voted strongly with the NDA, which is women voters. That's what our surveys seem to be suggesting at the moment, that could have been the game changer. Do you believe women in particular are seeing this kind of direct delivery of services of cash in a way very different to the youth? The youth seem more restless in our survey. The crisis of jobs troubles them, but women voters have come very strongly, perhaps, and they are the ones who have turned this election.
Rajdeep, I'll give you this example, and this is, of course, of the 2019 elections. We went to a village where the women were very aggressive, and I had just entered the village, and I moved closer to the women, and they were very aggressive. And suddenly, they looked at me and said that, Modi ji ke liye kuch mat boliyega. So I said, main to Modi ji ki party ka hu. And obviously the atmosphere changed. You see, these women they absolutely realize the importance and the challenge of bringing up their family. It's not easy. And now when the government and the Prime Minister starts thinking about the problems that these women face and trying to eradicate that problem, even by smallest of measure, it is counted. It is counted, and they feel very strongly. There's a sense of confidence that comes into these women, that here is this man, here is this party that is thinking about us and is willing to do anything for us. That sense of confidence is again reflecting in Bihar.
One figure, and Colonel Rathore will come to in a minute, less than 5,000 are 143 out of 243. That shows how tough this election is. More than half the seats, even now, are being won by margins of less than 5,000.
But in an assembly, 5,000 is a pretty big margin.
Which is not a major margin, but it shows how tough it
is.
The
ones that are still in play are those with less than 1,000.
Yeah, sure, but we'll see it in vote share. Eventually, when you see the vote share, it will be close, and that's where others make a difference. But Colonel Rathod, just to understand, do you therefore believe this is a vote where Mr. Modi has lifted the BJP more? If there was anger against Nitish, anti-incumbency, Mr. Modi's popularity, as you're calling it, is what has lifted the NDA? More than a Nitish factor?
Rajdeep, you've been a cricketer yourself. A team must perform, and team's captain obviously leads by example. And in the same spirit, the Prime Minister is leading NDA by example. And I can very confidently say there is no better example. And of course, the team performs. Some perform a little better on one day, others perform better
has
the
the
other
captain
day.
performed much better than the vice captain?
Mr. Nitish, you have to give credit to him. The captain always performs better than everybody else, isn't it? And in the sense of Prime Minister Modi, he's done it by personal example all throughout. Not just one state, but every single state and every single sector of our country.
Prime Minister Modi, Colonel
specifically
Rathod,
looked into as to what we can do to improve it.
Which, despite all the adversity that was being encountered, despite the migration, despite the pandemic, despite the hardship, the fact is that Prime Minister Modi is held in huge esteem. Every poll that we did showed that people said, okay, we have problems with the chief minister and the state government, but they were largely satisfied with the central government, which is hugely commendable given the huge hardships everyone was having to deal with at that moment.
I think India as a nation is very proud of the fact that we have had leaders who've been absolutely phenomenal and great, and we even today have leader who carries the whole country on his shoulders and takes it forward to the vision that he has. And so yes, for a Prime Minister to be able to create a personal rapport with every single citizen of this country is a tremendous achievement. And undoubtedly today's technology with all of your news channels, the social media is of a great help for that.
What explains this compact, Shwapan Das Gupta?